Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming. And did you accidentally just deleted your Android photos and Android videos, alright, accidentally, and it is irrecoverable, alright, from the Photos app itself on your phone, and you're panicking right now because, maybe the photo is very important or it contains some of your loved ones, and and you want to recover it back. Alright, don't worry because you're in luck today, because today I'm going to show you guys a way, alright, and an app, specifically an app that actually use to recover this. As you know, as a content creator, I accidentally deleted a lot of stuff, alright, and when I want to recover them, it's quite impossible, and I have to refilm the whole thing, re-record the whole thing. Can be very time wasting. So today I'm going to show you one app that I personally use to recover all of this data. It's been helped me a lot greatly, and it is with the help of this app right here. So this is the 𝖩ltData photo and data recovery app, and this app has been really useful. I'm using this app for quite a while now. Whenever I accidentally deleted some photos or videos, I can always open up this app and use it to recover. It works really good. So right now I'm going to show you guys the app itself and what are the things that it can recover, followed by a quick demonstration of me deleting and recovering via the app itself. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the app itself. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the app itself, and this thing not only can recover photos or videos, but it can also recover deleted contacts, documents, and audios as well, which is really awesome. And if you have like some social data app like WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, it can also recover that as well, which is really cool. Alright, so today we will be mainly focusing on recovering the photos. Alright, so what we have to do is, for example, so right now I'm gonna just go ahead and take a picture of probably like myself, as you guys can see right here. Just take a picture of myself right here, and I'm going to delete it away. So once it's deleted, it's gone forever. From my gallery, it is not in my gallery anymore. And if I go to my gallery right now and I go to recently deleted, as you guys can see, it's not even in the recycle bin anymore. So I'll just cancel this away, and I go into the 𝖩ltData itself, and from here I'll just have to select photos, and it will start scanning for all the photos that was previously on this device before. And as you guys can see, it has already found today's photo already. You guys can see it says today, and this is the one that I took just now, and now it has been recovered. It's found the photo and some of the other photos. As you guys can see from my gallery, it does not even have all these photos over here. You guys see, but now it is all coming back. All of the photos that was not shown in my gallery just now is all coming back, which is really incredible. So I'm going to stop scanning for a while since it's found the photos I want. So I can just click on that and I can recover it. I'm going to just recover this back to my gallery. And the best part is, they also have moving GIFs as well. As you guys can see, it can recover all of these photos that was deleted previously, all those junk photos that was deleted previously, all coming back. And the best part is you guys can preview them, which is really good. You guys can preview them, and that's the best part about it. So I can know like which photos and which video I deleted, so I can exactly pinpoint what I want to recover back. So I'm just going to recover it right now. And once I'm done recovering it, if I go back to my photos, and you guys can see it has been recovered back into my gallery itself, which is really incredible. So yeah, this software, this app is really good, and I can use it to easily recover any of my deleted files. So you guys can see it works so well, and I don't have to worry about accidentally deleting my photos or videos ever again, because whenever I need it, I can just open up this app and recover them. So now I have a peace of mind, and I don't have to worry about accidentally deleting stuff anymore again. So if you guys are really interested in this, you guys can go ahead and check out this 𝖩ltData photo and data recovery app. I will link the Android Play Store link, the first link in the video description down below. So yeah, if today's video did help you recover back your important files, your important photos or videos, do give it a thumbs up. And if you find this video really helpful, also do comment down below your phone model and your Android version as well. And once again, you want to check out this 𝖩ltData photo and data recovery app on the Play Store, you guys can go ahead and check out the first link in the description down below, and go ahead and check out this app for yourself, and you guys can start recovering all of your lost and important files immediately. So yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Cry.